Hello, this is Susan from WHC Solar. Ever wonder what makes our battery so reliable? Let me show you how we build safety and longevity into every battery we make. At the heart of WHC battery lies the brand new Grade A lithium battery cells, engineered to deliver 8,000 cycles, maintains high performance throughout its lifespan. But it doesn't stop there. We conduct 100% cells inspection. Make sure every battery cell was inspected. Our entire production process is fully traceable, with standard workflows and digital database checking each step. Safety and quality is engineered to every stage. We implement 10 inspection checkpoints, including wire sequence test, leakage current test, semi-finished safety test, and ATE test, finished product safety test, and ATE test. This ensures zero defective and completely reliable. When you choose WHC Solar, you are not just buying a battery, you are investing in safety, quality, and peace of mind.